when I was a little girl in Georgia. And I had a lot of siblings, so it was a lot of us. It was like 8 of us. So we enjoyed each other. We were very close. And we didn't have a whole lot. So we didn't get to go to the dentist and the doctors the way we should have. So we tried to brush and all of that. But when it was time for some work to be done on your mouth, we never did that. We just kind of just pulled out all of our teeth instead of letting the doctor see if they could fix them, you know? So I ended up as an adult having to have every last one of my teeth pulled and my gums were all messed up. I spent thousands of dollars to get my mouth fixed. When I got to that point, I knew. So I had to do what I had to do in order to get, my mouth fixed. I needed teeth to eat. And then I work in a public place. So I didn't want to be talking to my customers and my patients bare mouth.
She was frustrated, very frustrated. She didn't have natural teeth. She'd been wearing a denture. The denture was moving, uncomfortable. She just didn't know where to turn because she had been told she had no options for dental implants. So once we got to talking and reviewing her CT scan, we realized that if we manage this a different way, we might be able to get Letha what she always dreamed of, which is permanent teeth. So after a little bit of research and studying her case, our team came up with a plan for her. We decided she could have 2 zygomatic implants and 2 conventional implants for what we call an all-on-4 technique.
When I first saw my beautiful smile, I was like, oh God, it was beautiful. And I was so happy. It almost looked like my original ones. A smile means to me everything. It makes me feel good to know that now I can smile and everything looks great. They tell me, oh, you got a beautiful smile.